Hi, Sonu.
Hi.
I guess there was some really bad connectivity issue. What you can do is, once people join back, what you can do is you can give them a tour, like along with the video, you can speak up what is what, and like how you usually give house tours. So
Yeah,
what
yeah.
you can start right from the entrance, and then you can
Okay, okay.
then show people how everything is, how everything has been set up, what kind of chair, tables, and everything you can show the people. All right.
Okay, okay.
All right, Sonu. So
Just
I guess if you are there, let's wait for like two more and then we can start.
okay, okay. We'll wait for them.
Yeah, and I hope this time the network doesn't ditch us and it
Yeah,
stays
yeah.
with us. So overall, the whole thing is really exciting. And Sonu, do we also have some students who are currently studying whom we can talk to about their
Yeah,
experience in the library?
yeah. We do have, I guess, 3 to 5 students right now who are studying right now
All right,
up here.
all right, perfect. So
Yeah.
now we have 10 people. Now you can go to the entrance and give a decent, quick tour of the library, and then we can move on to interacting with this.
Okay, okay. Just
All perfect. To you, so
actually, this is actually a basement. You can see a basement where we just enter. So basement is like very cold up here. So you can just have a look up
the
here.
scene, and
Yeah.
we have a couple students.
Yeah, yeah, they are
Ah,
actually studying. You know what? Actually, the decks which I have constructed up here, I have actually talked to the one of the librarians. So the height of the decks is actually well proper planned, and because when the students study to sit, their backbones actually get uh, bit
absolutely.
of curved. So
Yeah.
I have actually talked to the librarian ki how what should be the height. So this is
What
the height actually.
table and the chair so that it
Yeah,
remains
yeah.
comfortable
So
and it doesn't affect the posture.
yeah, yeah.
That's
So
really
that's what they have recommended. So according to that, I have done this one. Second
that's
thing is the chair. The chair you can see up here. The chair is like a comfortable chair. The pad, soft pad is up there. Soft pad is here. The handrest is hand arm is here. So this is
all
what actually the student who are sitting for the 8 and 10 hours, they can actually sit comfortably up here. And
that's
actually the capacity you can see is 50 at a one time, and we have some actually quotes up here. So if
uh-huh.
the student get demotivated after studying, they can read and get motivated actually. So something like that, and we you can see the student which who are actually studying right now,
All right.
and
We probably might
actually
be
I'm
disturbed, but that's all
yeah
right.
actually I'm disturbing them all. So this is what actually whole thing is up here.
So the whole part, like the whole hallway, has been divided into two compartments. Like
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
and yeah, that's
This is
that's
this is the single compartment, and actually this is the one of the wall. Here we have around 8 to 10 decks, and
that's
then we have a second compartment here up here, and the space is too much more than enough to a student to walk up here till there.
like
So
it's
this is
not really
what
much.
and yeah, and actually this is the basement. So the actually the temperature is much lower than the what is outside. So we don't need to put AC and anything up here. So the climate is automatic. The temperature is automatic lower than what outside the temperature is
Absolutely,
right now.
because
Okay.
it's too hot in here, and I know
Yeah.
like basements work like as a cooler kind of environment.
Mm.
That's really a nice idea. You would save on a lot of energy.
Mhm. So I will just talk to one few of our people who are in the library to just to get the review ki how actually they are feeling right now and how much comfortable they are right now. Okay.
Yeah. So
Actually
we
he has
lost
just
you again. Uh,
yeah.
Sonu, your is
Am I audible? Am I audible right now? Am I audible or there is a net issue I guess
yeah,
up
your
here?
audio is really distorted.
Okay, 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 okay. This is actually you can just sorry to disturb you, but just give us a feedback to who are right now live.
This is one of the, I guess, best library right here. There is no any issue related to study. Uh, I think it's a perfect one for which a student can afford the fee as well as the place is quite silent so that we can concentrate for more than what we can at our home. And the climate is well for us.
That's fine. Actually, actually the basic problem in actually here
That's
is the student get disturbed up in their home. So this is one of the best place, I guess, for them to study and have a lot. We have we have one friend who can just talk to you. नहीं नहीं
हेलो सर, यहाँ पे मेनली दिक्कत क्या था ना कि जो यहाँ पे का मतलब गया जैसे शहर में यहाँ पे माहौल पढ़ाई का बिल्कुल नहीं है, और वो इसलिए है कि यहाँ पे पॉवर्टी बहुत ज्यादा है। आप देखेंगे तो एक घर में 5-5 लोग रहते हैं, तो आप मतलब हम लोग जान सकते हैं कि 5 लोग रह के एक रूम में पढ़ाई अच्छे से नहीं हो सकता है, तो घर पे फोकस नहीं हो पाता है। और यहाँ पे आसपास में जो भी लाइब्रेरी है उसका कॉस्ट बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है। तो इस कारण से हमने मतलब इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मतलब बताया कि आप लोग ऐसा ऐसा अगर काम यहाँ पे करेंगे तो बहुत सारे बच्चों को फायदा होने वाला है, और अभी नहीं इसका रिजल्ट भविष्य में बहुत ज्यादा दिखेगा। तो यहाँ पे मतलब सब कुछ अच्छा, लाइटनिंग है, चेयर है, और फी तो मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं। टाइमिंग का कोई इशू नहीं है, ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा चीज है।
thank you
Okay,
so
you
much.
have heard about. Okay, you have heard from a few of us right now. I will not like to disturb more of our students who are actually studying in the library.
Yeah, yeah,
That's what actually. Yeah, yeah.
that's totally fine. So, and like honestly, as a person, I'm feeling so happy seeing this done, and specifically when it's coming from our organization, such a moment of pride. And at the same time, it's not just Gaya, but in India, overpopulation is steadily becoming more prevalent, and in most of the areas, like those areas are congested. People mostly are with communities which are socially and economically deprived. They might find it very hard, like to study within the very congested small spaces of their house. So such kind of libraries are not only low cost but also provide a very valuable. I heard from you that at this library you also offer counseling to people. For instance, there might be people who might be studying for competitive examinations. So if somebody needs counseling, you can arrange some sort of calls. Would you like to tell our audience a little bit more about it?
Yeah, actually, I have told them about the counseling and programs. If you need counseling, you can just get to the counseling. And one of the special feature of of this library is we have a separate discussion room, where if people of five actually they are coming to the library, a friend of five, so they can go to the discussion room and they can just discuss what they on the topic what they actually facing problem. So group study can be also done in a separate room. We have just provided the facility also here.
That's wonderful. Also, in our audience of 8 people, if you people have any suggestion for us, like so that we can improvise the library in any way, it would be highly appreciated. You can just write it down in the comment box. Apart from that, Sonu, overall, when you see like there might be so many people who might have come to join the library, right? So when you see the overall, atmosphere, like how do people react to things like library? Because as kids, like mostly even like we had access to libraries at our schools and colleges, but sometimes people, like most of us, like many of our, young people cannot have access to such resources. So how do you feel, like the perception towards such spaces has been of people coming from underprivileged backgrounds?
Actually, I will just complete your question in 2 or 3 words. What the review I got from the actually few of my the students who are actually entering into the library. The common word which I have heard from them is one is cheap, second is the best. I have heard these two words.
Hmm.
Whatever right now library we have in and around. So the first is the cheap and second
Hmm.
is the best. So cheap and best libraries up here right now, I guess, according to them, what they
Okay.
suggestion they have given to us.
All right, all right. That's a really wonderful feedback that you've got, and we hope that in times to come, because this is the very first day that this library has operated. It's just not even few hours. Like it's just 6 hours that this library has been functional. So the better picture could only be able to realize the coming month or two, when we would consolidate how people are reacting to something and how these spaces have helped such people. But overall, even though there's this pandemic, but our fight should not stop towards creating a more just, equal, and equitable world for all. And with this, we also hope that such kind of libraries and such kind of safe spaces, through collective effort and collaboration, we can open more parts of the country, like many parts of the country where people actually need such resources. And if anybody who's watching us right now, if you have any suggestion, you can drop it in the comment box. Or if you want to collaborate, if you are really interested in Africa, and if you think that you can help us in some of the other with fundraising, finding the right spaces, or if you think that you, on the other hand, can help in opening up such spaces in your locality, please do reach out to us so that we can figure out what's the possibility. Apart from that, thank you so much for a lovely audience. Some connectivity we managed, and so far we've had a nice experience and a tour of the library. And thank you once again for managing everything. Sonu, as I have seen you emerge as grassroots, as in every time when you needed grassroots volunteers for on-field work, you have had made sure that people come up and take up tasks, even during the pandemic. That's truly exceptional, and this organization is very proud of you. Apart from that, yeah, that's all I have. And if anybody has anything to share, they may please, connect with us on social media. They may drop us a DM on Instagram, and we are willing to host more get how our organization what projects we have in times to come. But yeah, that's it for today. And thanks, Atan. Thanks so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for
Thanks a lot.
Take care. Take care. Bye bye.